Bluey ran through the giant meadow fast. Bingo bounced beside her laughing loud. Suddenly a glowing mist rolled across the ground. Strange. Muffin shouted, "What's that? Could it be magic?" Bandit grabbed Chilli's hand tight. Rusty pointed at the trees glowing soft. Indy gasped, "The leaves are moving. Could the forest be alive?" From the mist emerged enormous flowers, huge. Their petals shimmered bright rainbow. Socks barked, nervously pacing. Bluey whispered, "This is amazing. Could they explore safely?" The flowers shifted and parted slowly. A path appeared, glowing golden. Bingo shouted, "Let's go. Could this lead somewhere incredible?" They followed the path cautiously, brave. Suddenly a massive bird with jewel feathers soared. Its wings sparkled as it glided. Muffin clutched Bluey's paw. Could it be friendly? The bird landed in front of them, graceful. Its eyes glowed soft amber. Rusty whispered, "Do you think it will let us pass? Could they communicate?" Bluey stepped forward, holding her balloon bright. Bingo tossed a glowing flower gently. The bird bowed, slightly calm. Could it be welcoming them? A hidden door appeared beneath the giant tree, wide. Chilli exclaimed, "Look!" Indy ran ahead, full of excitement. Could treasure be inside? They entered the doorway carefully. Crystals lined the walls, sparkling. Golden coins shimmered in piles high. Muffin gasped, wide-eyed. Could this be the reward? Suddenly the crystals hummed loud. A gentle light floated upward, forming a crown shining. Bluey reached out carefully, proud. Bingo cheered, amazed. Could this crown hold special magic? The giant bird flapped wings and rose above. Sparks of light scattered across the forest. Bandit whispered, "Adventure is endless. Could the forest protect them?" Bluey lifted the crown high, shining. Everyone laughed and cheered together. Muffin danced around, happy. Could the next adventure be even bigger? And if you want to step into this magical forest with them, tap like, hit subscribe, and follow Bluey and friends into the next sparkling journey.